Assalamualaikum, I'm Ismail Rasha will teach you how to use an oscilloscope. First, turn on the switch and on the digital oscilloscope. Wait until the screen is appear. Put probe to input BNC socket. Put hook tip to the probe comb and crocodile clip to the ground at probe comb. Press auto set button to get the result. Press horizontal menu button and adjust horizontal position to 0.000 seconds.
Assalamualaikum. So now, this is Arafah speaking. I'm here to help you how to set up the oscilloscope and function generator using 1 kHz and 6 amplitude VPP. So, first step, let's start with the function generator. Turn it on and locate the setting for frequency and amplitude. Begin with setting the frequency to 1 kHz. You can do this by pressing the frequency button and using the number to adjust to reach exactly 1 kHz. Now, let's set the amplitude. Press the amplitude button and adjust it to 6 volt peak to peak and make sure the output waveform is set to the type you need, such as a sine wave for our measurement. Connecting the function generator to the oscilloscope. So now, we need to take a BNC cable and connect one end to the output of the function generator and the other end to the one of the input channel on the oscilloscope, which is we are using channel 1. With everything connected, let's figure how to turn on the oscilloscope. We just need to press auto set button so that we could see the waveform that clearly adjusted for us. And that's it, you have successfully set up the oscilloscope and function generator to measure a 1 kHz signal with a 6 volt amplitude. Thanks for watching and happy measuring.